here at the Pioneer Footbridge is the official, unofficial spot to take your boat out. And it's a nice place to take it out. It's nice and safe. You got this soft gravel and sand. Water. It'll be nice and safe for everybody. Whoa! Hey Boise River floaters, we're down here just finishing a long hot day of floating the river, and I wanted to share with everybody this wonderful thing. This is the takeout at Ann Morrison Park. You can see people just pulling their boats and rafts out right there, their little tubes and such. And we got this sign right here, it says, "Attention, don't do it, look out, danger, exit." And pointing over to the left over here is where we're gonna exit. And this is the ramp I was talking about in the previous video. This nice launch ramp right here. Well, it's actually not a launch ramp, it's a takeout ramp, see? And I just wanted to show everybody what it looked like to hit it from up here. Maybe a little bit bumpy. Holding this in my little phone holder thing. See, it's angled towards how the river's coming down, and you can just shoot your boat right up this ramp. Check this out. Pull it up right here. This ramp can just get crammed with people, but this right here is the end of the line where everybody's gonna notice where you're gonna want to take your boat out.